First up is Christmas candle decor. I've taken a beer bottle. I'll be wrapping the jute rope around the beer bottle for about 10 to 12 times with the help of the glue. Now I'll glue the festive greenery on top of the wrapped jute rope. The candle width was larger than the beer bottle opening, so I scraped the candle bottom with the help of a butter knife and then I placed it on the top of the beer bottle. Next up is holiday wall hanging. I'll start with wrapping the small boxes with paper bag. On the top of the boxes, I'll now make a jute bow. You can also add a red ribbon bow if you want to add a red element to your wall hanging. I'll start off with tying the yarn to the dowel and I'll be using different lengths of yarn. Add festive greenery by tying the yarn ends to the greenery. I adjusted the yarn length, the festive greenery and gift boxes multiple times to see what looks best to achieve the perfect look of wall hanging. Next up is scented ornaments. I'll start off with tying the cinnamon sticks and the festive greenery together with help of the jute rope, and then I'll glue the red berries on top of the jute rope. For design 2, all the materials remain the same except for the red berries. Here the red element that I'll be using is red ribbon. For design 3, instead of tying the cinnamon sticks and festive greenery with the jute rope, I'll be tying it with red twine.